Dear Attorney Caroline, my friend po ako na kinasal ni ex-Mayor Alice Guo. Alaman ko po na siya ay hindi pala Filipino and therefore not qualified to officiate a marriage. Ano po ang effect if the officiating officer is not authorized to marry? Ang kasal ay mapapawalang bisa lamang if may absence of essential and formal requisites. Dapat yung solemnizing officer, who is Alice Guo, ay may authority to solemnize the marriage. Dapat meron kayong valid marriage license unless the marriage is of exceptional character. Dapat meron kayong marriage ceremony before the solemnizing officer, the likes of Alice, and syempre, your personal declaration as husband and wife in the presence of not less than 2 witnesses of legal age. General rule, the absence of any essential or formal requisites na binabanggit ko shall render the marriage void from the beginning.